Today we are making a very simple yet popular breakfast recipe from Andhra Pradesh, and that is Puffed Rice Upma. Here I have taken about 100 grams of puffed rice. First, let's just rinse it gently in water, just for a few seconds. Don't soak it for too long or it will turn soft and mushy. Once rinsed, strain it and keep it aside. Now heat 4 teaspoons of oil in a pan, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and about 1/4 cup of peanuts. Let's saute it for a few minutes until the peanuts turn aromatic. Next, add in 3 slit green chillies, one sliced onion. Saute everything together until the onions become soft and light golden in color. Time to add in 10 to 12 curry leaves. Chopped coriander, one teaspoon turmeric powder, and salt to taste. Give it all a quick mix. Now finally, add the soaked puffed rice to the pan. Mix gently so that all the flavors blend beautifully without breaking the puffed rice. Now cover it and let it cook on low flame for just about 2 minutes. Turn off the gas and serve it hot. This puffed rice upma is one of the simplest and tastiest breakfast option that you can make in minutes. Do try this recipe at home and let us know in the comments what's the most unique thing that you have made with puffed rice or kurmura.